athletic while looking chic when you rock these Cloudrift 1 sneakers. You'll absolutely adore this breathable textile upper that has this wonderful mesh-like design with some synthetic overlays giving you a very modern style, some color contrast, and a bit of extra support. You'll love the fact that she'll have a classic lace-up closure giving you a nice secure fit, and you'll even get some speckled additions along that lace-up closure giving you some extra style. The high back gives you some extra support, and you'll love that breathable textile lining inside as well as the padding along the collar that gives you a very cozy and snug feel. You'll get some super foam cushioning that'll give you lots of extra comfort and is resistant to temperature change while having this beautiful midsole that offers a ton of shock absorption and gives you a modern, unique design. The outsole is nicely textured with CloudTec technology to give you some extra grip while also giving you a soft landing and an explosive takeoff so that you can stay on your game.